Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you Tangerine Bank how to fix account login error. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Now, in order to fix Tangerine Bank login error, the first step that you can do is check your login info. Simply check your client number and PIN. Make sure you are using your client number, not card number, and you are entering your online banking PIN, and then caps lock is off, and once you do that, all you gotta do is enter it and log in. If that doesn't work, then next is simply tap on the login option and you'll find an option that says forget a PIN. Simply tap on that and then reset your PIN and try again. Then next step is to complete security verification. Simply verify your identity. You may be asked to enter a one-type code, answer security questions, and failure here can also cause login errors. The next step that you can use is update the application. Simply head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar, simply type in Tangerine, and then once the search result loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply in order to fix the issue, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.